Vlogmas Day 1. Beautiful people. Here comes the big one. Welcome out, big. Emily's having a good time. Emily's having a good time, yeah, boy. I took some good ones with the ladies. Thanks Vlogmas Day 1. I hope you had a wave of a time. Amy! Amy, come! Vlogmas, Emily? Rude. So we have finished at the beach. Yeah. We were gonna stay on tanning for a bit longer, but it was getting really, like, the sun was
is it like
so hot. Yeah, so now we're about to go get ice cream and donuts. And Lily wants to take pictures, but I'm too hot and tired to take pictures. So I guess
should have done that
just
before, not after.
Yeah. But as you can see, it's such a lovely day. Like, there's literally, I haven't seen one cloud all day.
Yeah. And I need to swing past Cotton and Bonnie, get some bottoms. Some 30% off.
And then we'll get on the ferry and go.
Go home.
So tired. I literally just bought this bottle of water and it's already half gone. It's so hot. And now I'm going to get ice cream. So happy. I'm so hungry as well. So my nose is a bit burnt and my shoulders.
Just speed up a bit. You got this.
Fine, don't show me.
Oh, flip. Where's my phone?
Fine, don't show me.
Sophie, we did you the first one.
Emily didn't.
What?
You didn't show me.
Yeah, but oh, sorry. You know what to do? Oh, my butt's really burnt.
Your butt?
Yeah. I've read the signs in the photo. Lunch laughing. That's funny.
Yeah.
Sense of humour.
Okay.
It's just like years ago.
Huh?
This train will stop at Milson Point.
Waiting, wait.
About any parts where I get swear. Yeah.
Yeah, same.
I'm just running to it's a famous.
Yeah, team honesty. Yeah, you actually probably would. Yeah, I would.
Yeah, famous house.
So, cut it out.
Famous.
Oh, it hasn't started.
Oh yeah, damn it. Well, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.
I'm not.
My girl like cocaine. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang.
And that was all I filmed. So yesterday was a very tired day. As you can see, the sun got us kind of bad. My shoulders got burnt and my legs and the like tops of my feet. And you can see now I've got a tan line there of my swimmers. But yeah, it was like 35 degrees in Millie yesterday. The sun was so hot. I also didn't record much just because it was kind of hard to. And then I forgot. Yeah, so that's where the vlog finished. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 1. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye!